Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to collect email sync profiles and trigger powerful email or SMS flows from your Lovable website, connecting it to Klaviyo is one of the best choices in 2026, especially for high conversion funnels and e-commerce style automation. Most integration problems come from wrong list selection, missing profile properties, unpublished pages, or blocked scripts. We will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Klaviyo in 2026 like a pro. So common Klaviyo integration problems, for example, form submits but no profile appears in the Klaviyo, embed not showing on the page, profiles added without name or properties, works in editor not live, flow not triggering after sign up, or double opt-in confusion. So create or select a Klaviyo list. Okay, so Klaviyo stores new signups in lists. So in Klaviyo, you have to have an account. So log in. Okay, so go to list or segments, create a new list or select an existing one. Every sign up form must be connected to an existing one. So every sign up from form, as I said, must be connected to one list. Okay, so Klaviyo uses profile properties to store data. So default properties include email, which is required, first name, last name. You don't need to create these manually unless you want costume property. So choose your integration method. Okay, Lovable works with Klaviyo using two reliable method, but the most important one is this. So this is the most stable and recommended one. So go to Klaviyo, go to sign up forms, create a sign up form, choose embedded form, select the targets list, customize field like email, name and stuff, publish the form and copy the embed code. In Lovable, click add element, choose embed or HTML, paste the Klaviyo embed code and then tap save. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.